So, hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning today. We are gathered for a very noble cause and we have Khushbu Pandit today from Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance team. We really love to discuss about the objective, like what motivates you to do this tree plantation and what is the motive behind it.
We are doing it as a part of our sustainability initiative. We have decided to do the tree plantation for 1100 trees in Pune this year. Today we are starting our plantation activity from this hill. It's a project of restoring this hill, and then we will subsequently do it in the rural location of Pune, where we are doing it as a part of our agroforestry, which will be helping the farmers as well.
Today we are here, Rajesh sir with us from Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, and sir, like as we did a tree plantation here today, and we are really thankful to you that you give us the opportunity to contribute towards the environment. Would love to listen about your experience here today.
Yeah, so it has been extremely our pleasure to be a part of this initiative. And as you know, Bajaj has always been ahead in terms of our ESG practices and our consciousness and our willingness to contribute to the environment-friendly practices. And so yes, this morning has been really fabulous. Like the gentleman from Vasundhara Abhiyan was saying, so we are carrying the happy moments from this.
Yes.
Personally, it has been more of a learning and as well as motivation for us to continue to be in this activity on a personal level as well. Of course, at our home, we do small planting, etc. But this kind of activity on a hill, etc., it was a first-time experience for me. Really good experience and thoroughly enjoyed as such.
And now, rest of the 1,000 trees we are planting here with the farmers in Girvi, Falton. As you can see, we are doing agroforestry. So on ones we planted the mango trees. Here are the sitafal and the amrut trees as well. This is the initiative taken by the Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance for the plantation of 1,100 trees to increase the green cover and to help the environment.
Grow Brilliantly, I really thank you for this initiative because, of course, corporate, like I said, like us, major corporates would be eager, to be there in this space. But then an organization like you, helping them to create the awareness, facilitating them, engaging with their employees, supporting them, and organizing an activity like this, and of course, contribute to the environment, etc. Really thank you so much for this.
Any message you would like to give to the society and to the other corporates?
Yeah, I think looking at the climate change, this is the only thing we can try our bit to reverse it. So I think Grow Billion Trees is doing a great job by helping the community or the environment, restoring the environment by this plantation of trees.